Ready, go.
Hello everyone, my name is Alisa. My story is the peach ball. Long time ago in Japan, there lived an old man and an old woman. They had no children. One day, the old woman went to the river. She saw something big and round. Oh, a big peach is floating down the river. Juicy peaches, big and round, big and round, big and round. Juicy peaches, soft and sweet. Let us open it. When the peach opened, out came a baby boy. The old man was very happy and said, "Ho, ho, ho, a baby from the peach, amazing." The peach boy's name is Momotaro. He was young and kind, but one day bad news came. Oh no, the yogurt are stealing our food. Momotaro stood up and say, "Don't worry, I will go to Ogre Island. I will stop back." On the way, Momotaro made a door. Oof, oof, I am brave. I can fight the ogre. Then the monkey jumped down from the tree. Yuck, yuck, I am fast. I can steal little treasure. A faster flew down. Tray, I am strong in the sky. I can pat the ogre from the top. Now, Momotaro had a presto, a small monkey, and a strong fast. Then they went to Ogre Island together. Suddenly, they met the ogres. The ogres roared, "Go away, shiny treasures are our hood. Go away, shiny treasures are our hood." Momotaro and the animal friend shouted, "Strong and brave, don't delay. Momotaro wins today." Finally, they scared the ogre. From that day, Momotaro became superhero of the village. The end. Thank you for listening.
谢谢，Thank you, Alison.